Ah, I think dapat alamin natin na yung import kaunting panahon lang yung ginugol niya sa ensayo namin. And then he's trying to adapt the system that we have in the Philippines. And slowly, nakikita niya na this is our game plan. And then I'm so happy with him dahil makikita mo naman nandun yung ini-expect namin yan, yung pagka-hard worker. And then, ang dami niya napulot na bola doon, especially yung mga putback. And that's one thing na kailangan namin masustain dahil in the previous tournament, so we didn't have a player like him. And if you notice, second chance points namin, mas mataas sa kanila. But I'm not yet too happy, because yung turnover namin mataas And then a little bit of a scrappy in the first quarter. But kahit paano sa mga ng laro, kung panalo ka, kahit paano po yan, a win is a win. And what more if it is more than 10 points.
Thanks, Coach. Junmar, kumusta? Kanina, nag-usap tayo. You're feeling under the weather at may sakit ka. But getting best player today, tapos double-double pa and multiple assists. Sa mga araw na ganito, paano mo pin-push yung sarili mo?
Thankful ako kay Coach. Una-una pala sa pinibigay na ako na sa sige na ito. Kailangan i-push yung sarili. Kailangan i-deep. Gusto nila naman nagawin. Pag natalo kami, mahirap na. So, ayun, collective effort sa ng team, sa coaching staff, and sa mga players. So, kaya nakuha rin ito na natin.
We're now opening the floor if the media has any questions.
Coach, congratulations after winning.
Thank you.
Coach, nakano ko na ba? Medyo ganun nakano ka after 2 or 3 days?
Well, kung i-assess ko yung sarili ko, I'm not yet there. Actually, going to the game, medyo kinakabahan ako because in the last two nights, I was not able to sleep well, thinking of the game. Because if you know na I just took over the team a couple of days ago, and I have only one practice to prepare. After a game against Terra Firma, so kindly hard yun for a coach. Because it's hard to coach if you don't know all the things na you want your players to do. And usually, especially sa mga play, and mabuti na lang, so yung bread and butter namin na plays, so it's still there, namimemorya pa, hindi, medyo mataas yung kanilang mga memory card, and then, I think, yun ang isang a key kung bakit kami, and at the same time, so at the start of the game, I want to be deliberate and methodical. And they know what to do. And then, there's a lot of players on the bench na capable of playing, but I'm looking for a good combination. And nire-reward ko yung mga player na nasa loob, talagang really working hard. And then nakita natin how Andreas kahilig played. He's not in the starter of the bench. Last pa nga siya nung pinasok ko. But yun ang sinasabi ko, I have to define the role of the player. And that's his role. What more, he's a two-way player. He can play defense and you cannot leave him wide open.
Coach, aside from kahilig, nakita natin si Roliano, si Ross, kasi medyo heavy minutes din. So ito na ba yung parang sinasabi mong rotation mo or you're still figuring it out?
The rotation medyo konti because of the kind of personnel of our opponents. Kahilig was there for a longer minutes because of George King. And nobody could do better than Kahilig in our team. And we tried our report from the start, but nakita naman, nagbigay siya ng 4 points. Ganyan. That's huge. And then we switch to Kahilig and it worked. Ayan. And then, ayun na sinasabi ko sa team ko na may kanya-kanyang role eh. Kaya I don't have to please any one of them, ano, as long as na we're after do sa W. And maintindihan nila in the future. But those players na hindi nagagamit in the future will be having other playtime. It depends on our opponent. Eh.
Coach, i-sell na tayo next game yun, tama ba?
Yeah.
Ikaw rin ang mag-handle doon.
Yeah, on Wednesday. Ako yata. Ako yata.
Pero, ano yung kasi, yun nata yung next game nyo, Eastern pareho.
Yeah, Eastern on Wednesday sa Hong Kong. And then pagbalik dito, sila na naman ang kalaban namin. Ano? And then naglaro kami dito. Ayun, magkukumustahan na naman kami. Long time no see
Pero paano yung coach? Ano yung part of your rin yun, no? Parang feeling out?
No, para sa akin every game, especially with this team San Miguel, so there's a lot of pride there. And we should be ready and prepared against, because yung mga fans namin talagang always expecting a lot from us and we cannot rest or but syempre ang natin dito yung game natin dito, but is medyo malaki rin ang pwedeng ibigay sa sa team We're not carrying only our team San Miguel It is the PBA and in our country, and we should play accordingly, and then kailangan medyo talagang may class ang ibibigay namin.
27 points, 22 rebounds. Last time parang 19 rebounds data. So, dahil pa Coach Leo, yung numbers mo, maganda-ganda.
No.
Taas-taas.
Normal sa kanya yun,
thankful ako sa mga teammates ko, especially sa coach, Pops, kasi inaanap ako sa poste, and yung mga teammates ko naman, nag-step up, hindi lang ako, hindi buong team nag-step up, so sana tuloy-tuloy. Siyempre, Mama, Papa, Jay, Kim Lavaz, Museo, Lugar Team, Kraken and Jay Garwash, Gaming, House of Kraken, Extension Family, siyempre sa mga Bigoys, Wasgang, and siyempre sa mga taga-Pinamungahan, taga-Cebu, maraming salamat sa support sa mga fans ng San Miguel. Salamat sa support sa mga fans ng PBA. Sana patuloy natin yung support sa PBA. And sana healthy tayo at yung family natin sa pagdating ng Christmas. Sana masaya tayo lahat.
That concludes our post-game press conference. Congratulations.